How to sell your Bitcoin on Coinbase. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can sell your Bitcoin on Coinbase. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. First, open up your Coinbase. Make sure you're logged in into your account. Then what you can do is tap on Bitcoin. After you tap on Bitcoin, you can see the Bitcoin price and everything. Tap on the sell button right there. After you tap on the sell button, you should be somewhere around here. You can see you can buy, sell, and convert. So we'll simply focus on sell for now. So if you want to sell everything, you can tap on sell all, or if you want to sell a particular amount, you can simply type that in. I'll just tap on sell all. And after that, you will be prompted to this page where you can see your fees and stuff. So if you tap on your total, you should see the price details, how much they are charging you, how much Coinbase fee is, and everything. So you can basically tap on sell after you've read everything and your order will be submitted, and you can then view your order and everything. And yeah, you have basically sold your Bitcoin on your Coinbase, and that's how simple it is. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye. Take care.